Okay, so we can go back to the summary screen. Again, things are always keep up, always updated on this screen. So as I added my Amex card, we can see that I'm getting notified that my Amex card, the payment that I entered, isn't meeting the minimum payment, which is a good alert, because then I know that I'm not paying enough monthly to actually even make a dent in this card. So I need to go, so what I would do to get this to go away is to go into my credit card, this Amex card, and I got to increase my monthly payment. Oops, let's go up here. I'm going to edit my Amex card, and I'm now going to update my monthly payment. Let's say it's $230 a month now. Let's go back to summary, and we see that it's now gone. And so just this screen here, so this section here just gives me a little snapshot. So for example, if I keep making $230 a month, the minimum payment, it's going to take me about 4, maybe 5 years to get out of debt for this Amex. So this allows me to gauge and have an estimate of how long it's going to actually take me. My BMO card, I only owe $500 on that, so it's going to take me 0.3 years. My personal loan, 2.3 years, and my house, if I just keep making my regular payments, it's gonna take me about 15 years. This is how much interest that I'm going to pay over the course of that time.